When teaching with digital maps on an interactive whiteboard, the goal is to move beyond simply displaying a map and instead use the board to support inquiry, spatial thinking, and collaborative exploration. Here are 5 practical strategies that work well in classrooms. 1. Begin with an inquiry question. Start the lesson with a geographic or scientific question that students can investigate using the map. Examples: why do most large cities develop near water? Where are earthquakes most likely to occur? How does climate influence where people live? Displaying the map after posing the question encourages students to analyze spatial patterns rather than passively observe the map. 2. Use the zoom function to build spatial context. One of the strengths of digital maps is the ability to move across scales. On an interactive whiteboard, this can be done quickly and visibly for the entire class. A typical progression might be global to local scale. This approach helps students understand how local places fit into larger geographic systems. 3. Toggle data layers to reveal patterns. Most modern mapping platforms allow teachers to turn data layers on and off. Demonstrating this live on the board helps students see relationships between variables like tectonic plates and earthquake locations. Other examples include rainfall and vegetation, or population density and transportation networks. Layer comparisons encourage students to identify patterns. 4. Involve students at the board. Interactive whiteboards allow students to physically manipulate the map. Invite students to participate directly. Invite them to zoom to a location, turn layers on or off, measure distance, or identify geographic features. This small shift increases engagement and helps students develop map reading and spatial reasoning skills. 5. Annotate the map in real time. Use the annotation tools on the board to circle, draw, or label features while discussing them. This is especially effective for highlighting geographic patterns, cause and effect relationships, and key vocabulary. Saving annotated maps can also create visual summaries of class discussions. In practice, the most effective interactive whiteboard lessons combine inquiry, scale changes, and layered data exploration. The board becomes less of a presentation tool and more of a shared workspace where the class collaboratively interprets geographic information. Happy teaching!